Winter Storm Fern, a historic ice and snow threat across much of the United States. A massive and potentially historic winter storm named Winter Storm Fern is sweeping across the United States, poised to impact a staggering portion of the country with widespread ice, heavy snow, and dangerously cold temperatures through the weekend and into early next week. Officials and forecasters warn that this system could be one of the most significant winter storms in years, affecting daily life, travel, and infrastructure from the southern plains up through the northeast. Scope and scale. Winter Storm Fern is enormous in scale. According to weather.com meteorologists, the storm is forecast to produce significant snow and/or ice over 34 states and threaten more than 230 million people, roughly two-thirds of the U.S. population. Its vast footprint stretches from Texas and the southern plains through the Midwest and Ohio Valley, and onward into the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. Forecast models show that heavy snow totals, 6 inches or more, could blanket broad regions from the Central Plains into the Northeast. In many areas, accumulations of a foot or more are possible, particularly across parts of the Midwest and Northeast. Ice storm danger and power outages. Perhaps one of the most dangerous aspects of the storm is the threat of catastrophic ice accumulation, especially across parts of the South and Southeast. Meteorologists warn that ice accumulations of a quarter-inch or more, levels at which roads become treacherously slick and power lines and tree limbs are stressed, are likely over a large swath of territory from northern Texas and Louisiana through Mississippi, Alabama, and into Georgia and the Carolinas. This could lead to widespread power outages and tree damage, with some utilities warning of outages lasting several days. Heavy snow and travel chaos. Heavy snowfall is expected to cause major travel disruptions throughout much of the storm's path. Areas from the Central Plains into the Northeast are under winter weather warnings, with snow expected to begin late Friday and intensify through the weekend. Some locations could see rates of 1 inch or more per hour, making roads near impassable and prompting flight delays and cancellations at major airports. Cities such as Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Louisville, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., and New York City are forecast to be in the heart of the snow zone at various points, with accumulations potentially reaching or exceeding 12 inches, marking some of the heaviest snow events in years for those areas. Extreme cold to compound impacts. Following the storm's passage, an influx of Arctic air is expected to plunge temperatures to dangerously low levels across much of the affected region. Wind chills as low as -20 degrees Fahrenheit -29 degrees Celsius or colder could occur in parts of the Midwest and northern plains, increasing the threat of frostbite and hypothermia and prolonging hazardous travel conditions even after the storm winds down. Preparations and emergency measures. Officials in numerous states have declared states of emergency and urged residents to prepare by stocking up on essentials, securing property, and adjusting travel plans. Airlines are offering waivers and flexibility on bookings, and transportation authorities are modifying services to keep travelers safe. Communities from the south to the northeast are bracing for the storm's full impacts, which are expected to unfold over the next several days. With a combination of ice, deep snow, and extreme cold, Winter Storm Fern underscores the power of winter weather to disrupt life and infrastructure over vast areas of the country.